Hi everyone, my name's Scott. Welcome back to another review. For today's video, we are reviewing this sign that we picked up on Amazon. I had gotten a smaller version for one of my channels, and I liked it so much, we decided to upgrade to a bigger sign for another channel. What I like about this company is how clean everything looks, especially when you take a look on the back. They hide the wires extremely well. Everything is hidden very well versus all the other brands I've seen out there. This one, now you can customize it and get all kinds of options. We went ahead, we got our power supply here, manual. We went ahead and added the remote option so we could use this with a remote control. So I'm pretty excited to be testing this out and see how, how it performs. So it looks like they do not provide a battery. If you go with the remote control option, you're gonna have to provide your own battery. Let's see if it says on here. Okay, CR 2025 to 2032. I believe we already have them, so just plan ahead if you guys are getting the remote option. Now with this option, we also have the app that we can use as well with this setup. Again, it's going to be based off of your options that you select. Okay, this is what it looks like in the daylight up against just, not a black or a solid background. This is with the standard color. Oh my goodness, my friends. What in the world? How beautiful is this? There's different modes that we have. We're just using not even using the remote yet. Oh my word. This company knows what they are doing. 100%. Guys, and this is still light out. Imagine how it's going to look in a dark area. Yep, needless to say, I'm super impressed. I don't think I could be any more impressed than what I am right now. And there's all these modes. And this is just with this. That's not even with that or the app. I wish I could spend all the time and show you every single mode. But we got to keep moving or it's going to take forever. If you guys, oh my word, just incredible. Of course, this is not where it's going to permanently be, obviously. But I wanted to show you guys how it's going to look at nighttime. In person, it is just sick. I mean, it is awesome. I could not be any more happier than what I am right now. It is amazing. Just amazing.